In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a video inside a text in Filmora. If you are liking this content and for more of such, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. The first thing you want to do is to place your video in your timeline. Next, go to titles and add the default title to your timeline. Go to advanced, delete the title, add a square, delete the text inside the square, extend the square to cover the entire video. Next, add text to that. Next, change the text font to impact. Increase the size to 400. Next, add some animation. I'm going to play with typewriter animation. You can extend the animation to the entire duration of the video. Click OK. Double click on the text, under video, under compositing, blending mode, change to darken, click OK. Next, double click on text, save as custom so that you can use the text in other videos. Click OK to finish, and click OK again. So anytime you go to titles, you can find your preset here. Then you can drag and drop and use it in any other video. And let's drag and drop the text to another video, and it will just work. This is what you have. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more on how to make your videos look more cinematic, then be sure to watch this next video.